In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find HS code on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to add or edit your product's HS code, so your shipments clear customs smoothly, and your customers get accurate duty and tax estimates. HS stands for Harmonized System, a global classification used by customs agencies. Getting this right helps prevent delays, unexpected fees, and returned packages. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. This is your store's control center where all product settings live. Once you're in, head to the products section. This is where you'll see a list of everything you sell. Choose the product you want to check or update. Click into that product's details page so you can access its shipping settings. If your product has variants, you'll manage HS codes within each variant's shipping area, so keep that in mind as you review. On the product page, scroll down until you find the shipping section. This is where Shopify stores information used for fulfillment and cross-border shipping. If you don't see it, stay calm. Most often it's because the product is set as digital. To make shipping options appear, ensure the product is marked as a physical item. Look for the setting labeled "This is a physical product" and make sure it's checked. This tells Shopify the item needs to be shipped and unlocks fields like weight, customs details, and the HS code itself. Next, click into the HS code field. Depending on your region, Shopify may provide suggestions as you type, but always verify accuracy. HS codes can look similar, and choosing the closest match instead of the correct one can lead to misclassification. Enter a new HS code or adjust the existing one to reflect the most accurate classification for your product. It helps to reference your country's official customs database or a trusted trade resource if you're unsure. Be specific. Classifying a cotton t-shirt differently from a synthetic one, for example, can change duties. Keep your codes consistent across similar products, and remember that variants may need their own codes if materials or product types differ. When you're done, click Save. This step commits your changes so Shopify uses the updated code at checkout and on shipping documents. After saving, double check that the code appears correctly and that any variants are updated as needed. That's it. By verifying your product is physical, locating the shipping section, entering the correct HS code, and saving, you set your store up for reliable international shipping and fewer custom surprises.